Imagine a computing machine so small that it can sit comfortably in the palm of your hand, yet so terrifyingly powerful that it completely destroys the performance of massive, power-hungry desktop towers. For decades, the tech industry forced us to accept a rigid, frustrating law of physics. If you wanted elite computational speed, if you were compiling millions of lines of intricate code, rendering heavy 3D landscapes, or editing multiple streams of high-resolution video, you were condemned to a life of bulk. You had to sacrifice your entire desk to a giant, heavy box that generated immense heat, consumed massive amounts of electricity, and screamed with loud cooling fans the moment you pushed it to its limits. We accepted this clutter because we believed that true professional-grade power could never be minimized. But right now, sitting quietly in the shadows of Apple's advanced development labs, is a tiny silver box that completely obliterates that law. This is the dawn of the Apple Mac Mini M5. This isn't just another routine, predictable yearly upgrade. This is a total, ground-up architectural revolution that completely redefines the relationship between physical size and raw digital violence. Apple has engineered a machine that doesn't just push the boundaries of what a compact desktop can do. It completely changes the rules of modern computing. It is a silent, hyper-efficient monster disguised as an elegant piece of minimalist design. If you are a creator, an engineer, a data scientist, or someone who simply demands the absolute pinnacle of technological efficiency without the bulk, you need to look very closely at what Apple has achieved here. Because the Mac Mini M5 is currently sending a massive shockwave through the entire PC industry, leaving legacy desktop manufacturers scrambling to figure out how something this tiny can deliver performance this terrifying. To truly understand why the M5 chip inside this tiny powerhouse is causing absolute panic among traditional chip makers, you have to look past the beautiful aluminum enclosure and look at the microscopic silicon engineering beneath the surface. The Mac Mini M5 is driven by a next-generation custom architecture built on a cutting-edge, ultra-dense 3nm process. Apple has managed to pack an astronomical number of transistors into a space smaller than a coin, reducing the physical distance that data has to travel to near absolute limits. This means latency is virtually eradicated. When you click, when you render, when you execute a complex mathematical simulation, it doesn't just happen quickly. It happens instantaneously. The system features a hyper-optimized blend of ultra-performance cores and high-efficiency cores that balances workloads with flawless intelligence. The chip calculates your exact needs down to the millisecond, routing maximum power to heavy tasks while sipping tiny milliwatts of energy during lighter workloads, ensuring that not a single drop of electricity or performance is wasted. But where the Mac Mini M5 truly detaches itself from the rest of the tech world is its revolutionary unified memory architecture. In traditional desktop PCs, the system is bottlenecked by a slow, outdated structure where data must constantly travel back and forth across a motherboard between separate pools of system RAM and graphics memory. The M5 chip completely vaporizes this bottleneck by fusing the processor, the graphics cores, and the system memory into one single, ultra-wide, high-bandwidth pool of pure speed. The CPU and the GPU share identical data pools in real time, completely eliminating the need to duplicate information or wait for slow memory